It's been almost 10 years since I first built my very first PC, and let me tell you, this thing has been through it all. It survived countless gaming sessions, late night YouTube spirals, and probably enough software updates to make it question its own existence. Heck, it even traveled through multiple countries. Now, of course, I upgraded a few parts here and there, because, let's be real, running everything on low settings can be downright painful. But I never did a full rebuild. This piece just refused to give up. But today is different. It's finally time to retire it and build something new. Something faster, more powerful, and fingers crossed, something that won't suddenly burst into flames mid-game. Now, if you're expecting a perfectly structured step-by-step guide, you might be in the wrong place. No, this is more a watch me build a thing kind of video. So for the rest of the actual build, I will keep quiet and let you enjoy the process. Mostly because if I talk, you will hear me muttering things like, where the heck did I put that screwdriver? Alright, let's get to it. Now, isn't she a beauty? Alright, so about these benchmarks. Normally reviewers compare new builds to previous generation of parts, but honestly I was more curious about the real difference you get when you only upgrade every Ice Age. So in these benchmarks you will only see my previous setups versus this new Ultra Beast. And let's just say the difference is staggering. My old PC was basically running on pure determination at this point, and this upgrade feels like going from an electric bicycle to a Formula 1 car. Now for those curious about why I chose Intel over AMD, look, sometimes I actually use my PC for more than just gaming. I know, shocking revelations, right? Everyone has their own preferences, and this was just the right fit for me. Anyway, that's it for this one. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. My name is Tori, and I will see you in the next one.